Welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. I want to show you what I see in the Bitcoin price chart, show you some important charts. Stick around, please like and subscribe. Take a look at this. We've got the Gassian channel on the weekly time frame. This has been the most precise time frame of showing us when the trend is changing, when things are going to get ugly. Right now you can see Bitcoin's price is $82,000. A disgusting collapse has happened through the night. If you depending on where you are, if you've been sleeping, and I'm sure when you wake up you're going to see it. What does this mean? Bear market confirmed, right? But what does it mean for you? How are you going to get out of crypto? Are you someone that's going to capitulate? Someone that's going to panic and sell right now? Let me tell you what I think I'm going to do, because I do believe that this sell-off won't keep happening. And I do believe that if it was to go down more, because when you take a look at this Gassian channel, right? If you look here, when we enter it, yeah, we see candles come down. We even see it break, because it's got its own little orange moving average, which it pierces through here, right? And it comes straight down here. But we do see a bounce up right here. So I believe in the future we will see a bounce up. So I look at it like this: it's just come into the Gassian channel 1 week, it's pierced through the next week, and it's come down right into the depths of the Gassian channel. But I do think we will see a rally, because this was like a 45% move up for Bitcoin. I do think people will catch it, and it's not just been the first time. Happens a lot. Even in the C19 event, look, it came in, it entered it, and then had a rally up before a massive dump and went straight through. Take a look at this, right? So it entered the Gassian channel, it came through, it pierced this its own little moving average, and then it did have a rally up, another 46% move. See, look, that was a 60% move. This one's a 46% move before it then came tumbling down. So it happens often when we get into this Gassian channel. You see that it can dip real deep into it and then still see a rally. And I think something like that will happen. Does it have another one here? Here's another good example. Look at this. Actually, this is probably one of the best examples, because right now we are facing the bottom of the Gassian channel. We've come deep into it, but you still see a rally up. And can I zoom in on this part so you can see? I want to show you the candles and everything, right? And I'll move this along the side so you can see. So I'm measuring it from this wick down here, where it comes straight down, even pierces through the other end, and then it comes straight back up. We see up here that there's a wick up here, and that's like from there to there's like a 64% move upwards. Now, I'm not saying that we may see the top of the cycle again, meaning that we see the high numbers like what we saw before. But what I am doing now is strategizing to try and find the best prices of what I think will be and how high Bitcoin will return, how much of a relief rally it will have, whilst altcoins can pump, right? Because again, I'm watching the dominance. It's now starting to slowly come down. You can see here, right? So at some point, this could all come collapsing down for Bitcoin. It will get weak and weak and weak, because essentially what are we seeing? We are seeing money being taken out of Bitcoin, and they're probably throwing it in Tether and USDC. So what will that smart money do with the USDC, the profits that they're taking? I mean, because the market's really weak right now. Where's the fear and greed? Extreme fear right now. Everybody's shook. But smart money that's taking money out of Bitcoin, that's causing it to be this way, will most likely put it into other coins, which could be your alt season that you get. And I don't know how long and strong and powerful it's going to be, but it could happen. So I would expect a rally to come. This is what I'm thinking is going to happen. You guys do whatever you want to do. I'm just showing you what I think is going to happen, right? I would expect this. I think you've seen the biggest capitulative event. People will wake up, be really scared, and sell because they're scared. But I'm not doing nothing yet. But I think something like this will happen. I think we will see some form of a move up in the price. I don't know if I've done bars. Why have I done bars? I wanted to get the price range. Where's price range? Here we go. I think that we will see a move up in the price, which could see a nice pump, which could set altcoins going. This is what I think will happen, right? And when that comes, I'm going to let my patrons know exactly when I'm selling, getting out, taking profits, and I'm done. Happy I took more money off the table and stuff, because patrons, you've been seeing my sell alerts. The biggest one was back here in March of 2024. You saw that, right? If you was a patron, you saw. And they saw other, sell alerts as well. Things like with Virtuous Protocol and 100x and everything else. And so, I'm focused on what's going on right now based on chart sentiment, right? And human emotions. I know human emotions right now is many people wake up and get shook and just want to sell. You're going to go, I've lost a lot, so I'm just selling now. Because your first thought is, I'm not going to buy. I've lost so much in this, I'm not going to buy it now. because it's just going to fall even more. And actually, sometimes it's the people that do buy now, if there is a quick relief pump, that tend to bloody make some gains. So actually, maybe I should. Maybe I should buy a tiny bit more right now. I might look at some of the coins that I really believe can do well, like my AI coins, my robotics, all of these ones that have just taken a huge dump, and just see if there's good enough prices for me to buy now so I can catch a pump, because I think there will be a relief rally, right? I think there will be one, a Santa rally. And then I'll take it from there. Guys, stick around, because I'm about to show you this chart. This one really is this is clean, and it breaks it down clean, right? Stick around, like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Never be defeated.